So you want to disconnect WhatsApp from Instagram. You actually need to check two specific locations in your settings. Most people only remove the button on their profile, but their accounts are still secretly linked in the background. Here's how to fully disconnect them. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone and tap the profile icon on the bottom right. First, tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down, look for Contact options. Tap on that. If you see a WhatsApp business number listed here, go ahead and delete it. That removes the public button. But to actually unlink the accounts, we need to go deeper. Go back to your main profile page. Tap the three-line menu at the top right. And select Account Center. This is where Meta connects all your data. Scroll down to accounts at the bottom and find WhatsApp in this list. Hit remove, confirm by tapping remove account. And finally hit continue and yes, finish removing. Now your account's 100% unlinked. Ever wonder how to see all saved passwords on your iPhone? Check out this video.